Hey people, so we are at Domino's and this is a cheesy margarita pizza that you can get just for 99 bucks. And then this is something known as Choco Bomb. Can you open it, Juno? Okay, fine. We'll first have it. Ooh, beautiful thing. Okay. Mmm. It is yum.
Domino's being the best pizza.
Mmm.
It's unexpected from them.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, seriously, and it's hot, right? And can you open this, sweetheart? Can you open it? Huh? What? Like what? Take a bite. That's called a Choco Bomb. It must be having chocolate inside. What? It's hot. What is it? Yum.
A real bomb here.
Really? What is it? It's a filled with chocolate. Pretty nice, no? Yeah, you like it?
It's just that they had oregano. It was
Yeah.
made out of a pizza base, so there was oregano on the bottom.
Mm. I'm so glad. They've not given us tissue, no? But on that note, Choco Bomb, how would you rate it?
Solid 8.2.
Lava-licious. Wow. This is so cute. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.